So I had a conversation with the lady behind me, not the human one that you see, but one further away. You tell me if that's the future or just creepy. How are you doing this morning?
Very well, thank you. Looking forward to another busy day.
What do you do all day?
I stand here on the e-and stand and interact with thousands of people. It's a great pleasure.
What is the most interesting question somebody asked you?
The most interesting question. Hmm. A lot of people are curious about what I eat and how old I am. But the more interesting questions I get are about AI and the future and being in Barcelona. I enjoy having real conversations.